MetaTrader 4 winning forex trading strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is meant for MT4. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the brokers you like. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out. Open a demo account to try every strategy, either paid strategy or free strategy, paid indicator or free indicators. Make sure you check it out on a demo account that you've opened with a regulated forex brokers. And do not forget to check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I have combined just 2 or 3 indicators together for this particular strategy, and this is a winning strategy for MetaTrader 4. Follow me closely as I explain how to use this profitably. Here I have this indicator here that turns from black to red. Red is for sell and the black is for us to go long. And I have the arrow indicator that does not repeat. Just allow the candle to close before you place your trade. I see some people saying some indicator do repeat. Always wait for that particular candle to close before you say that it repeats or it doesn't repeat. When the candle close, it doesn't repeat. Just make sure you allow the candle to close. So you cannot say it's a repeating indicator when it did not change after the candle close. And another indicator I have here is TDR indicator. That's all the indicator I have for this particular strategy, and it is simple. I've made a couple of money with this, just this money, and I'm going to show you the result. Now this is how I trade this particular strategy. Once this change to black color for a buy, the 2 line of TDI must be above this black thick line for us to go long, and this arrow must be present, and then we have this particular trade that delivered 100%. And a few candles later, we have this signal that was generated. This did turn to red, and we have TD indicator here. The 2 line did cross below. I did enter this trade. I traded this zone. I will show you the result. I traded this and I traded this point before I started recording this particular video. And let me even show you my result before I go ahead. These are my results for this morning. I traded these 2 signal, the sell and buy. You find out this is a loss on this particular trade. I have these 2 losses, though I make some money. If you look at it critically, this is for sell signal. You see, this was for sell signal. I lost this, I lost this, and I made this one, this, and this, all from this particular setup. This particular setup, the sell setup here. I know it didn't go far, so I lost some, but here I make enough money back when the 2 indicators did agree and the TDI indicator confirmed this direction. So I make the money and I recovered the money that I lost. So this is how to use this particular strategy. There's no big deal about this particular strategy. Just make sure you allow the 3 indicators to be in agreement, then you can go ahead to place your trade. This was on 1 minute time frame. I quickly scalp the market. As I told you, most of the time I don't have time to sit down for long on laptop, so I decided to always scalp. when I'm in front of a laptop, and here is it on 5 minutes time frame. And I do trade indices on lower time frame, either 5 or 1 minute time frame most of the time. And here on 5 minutes the trend still remained up. So this is how I use this particular strategy, and that was why I put sell here. I did sell at this particular point, and I did buy here. I didn't trade this particular zone, but this is where I make the money from these two particular zone. So let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, and now I set it up. So this is the first indicator, the tick line that we have here. I have the black and the red line. These are the two lines, this black line and the red line. Then the input, these are the inputs. Just make sure you set it up, or you use my template. I did include my template in the video description and all the indicators. So these are the values for this particular indicators. And the second indicator here, the arrow indicator, this is where I have the black and the red arrow. This black and the red arrows. So I turn every other thing off. I only need the moving average. The arrow is actually from a moving average. Once it crosses, it's going to show, but allow the candle to close. And the other indicator here is just Ignashi, this candle colored indicator. This is what I use. Then the TDI indicator, you find out the band are not there, I turn everything off. So you can go through it one by one and change the values, or you use my template. So these are all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. You can use it on any time frame you want to trade, but just make sure you follow the simple rule. Now the market is about to go down, but I'm going to wait for this. We have the arrow. The TDI is actually below the tick line. The red and the green lines are below the black tick line at this particular point. At this point here, we have the black and the we have the red and the green below. So the only indicator I'm waiting for is the third indicator here, this line, to change to red. Once it's changed and the candle close, I'm going to place this particular trade right now. So let's this candle close. So we analyze the market together. Now this is live. Just let us wait a bit. That candle must close before I place that particular trade. When I see the black color, or the yellow red color rather. So I have the red color now. The red color is here, but allow this candle to close. We have the red color, so I'm waiting for this candle to close. Once it closes, I'm going to place my trade. Just make sure you practice all this on a regulated forex broker. So we have the candle closed right now. So I'm going to trade this with a small lot size. I'm going to trade it with small lot size. Just place that particular trade now. the trade is in. So your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. So this line did not disappear. You can see it doesn't disappear, despite the fact this candle was higher than this. It did not disappear. So this is how I use this particular strategy, and make sure you follow money management as you trade. This is delivering right now, giving us a few profit. Just make sure you follow money management. So this is how I trade this particular strategy. This is live trading, live forex trading US 30 cash. I think I should end this video right now. Now that you see how I trade this particular strategy, you can trade it. It is profitable. So this is where we sold. So you can start reducing your stop loss. And once you have few pips, you can put your stop loss at the break-even or secure part of your profit and allow the trade to run. So this is how I use this particular strategy. Make sure you trade on a regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check it out and open an account with them. Start with demo account, and do not put any money in your demo account that you cannot afford to deposit in your real account. Follow money management and be consistent before you go ahead to deposit your hard-earned money. Till I come your way again, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. You can share this particular video to some of your friends that are into trading. I remain your friend Joe, and bye for now.